Hello everyone, today I would like to present my international paper conference. My name is Aden Sareza, and this conference by ASEAN Scholarships Network. Okay, let's talk about the title. The title is Service Quality Dimension on Customer Satisfaction at Karens Diner, Jakarta. And this is what I'm talking about. The first one, there is introduction, background, problem, research question, research objective, literature review, research design, methodology, findings and discussion, conclusion, and also recommendations. Let's talk about the background. Karens Diner went viral because of its unique service concept that is rude and mocking but yet fun. This unique service concept is quite different from other food restaurant concept in Indonesia, which is usually prioritize politeness and friendliness toward its customer. This research aims to find out whether service quality as measured by the aspect of tangibility, reliability, responsiveness, empathy, and assurance can influence the level of customer satisfaction at Karens Diner, Jakarta. With a contradictory service concept from a restaurant in general. This is my problem statement. The first one is Karens Diner's different service, effect on service quality that have 5 dimensions: reliability, empathy, responsiveness, tangible, and also assurance. And the last one is customer satisfaction. Next, let's talk about my literature review. The first one is reliability. Reliability donates to restaurant consistency in providing food service to satisfy the need of its customer by Ramya. The second one is empathy. Empathy is the condition that cares and give attention to the other customer by Philip Kotler and Line. The third one is responsiveness. Responsiveness is the ability of the employee to help customer and giving response to request them, as well as informing the service. This is by Parasurman. And the fourth one is service quality. Customer point of view about the service rendered which meets or exceeds their exception, and also by Parasuraman. And then the fifth is assurance. Assurance means how the staff know about the product or service that they provide to the customer. And then tangible. Tangible is refers as the situation description about one business and as the signal quality for the restaurant by Har. And the last one is customer satisfaction, maintaining the success of the business and the sustainable between the price, the quality of service product by Torik. Next, let's talk about the research question, research objective and limitation and scope. From the research question, I want to know how the service quality give the impact to customer satisfaction in Karens Diner restaurant in Jakarta. And then the research objective is one, there is a service quality, reliability, responsiveness, empathy, tangible assurance, and also customer satisfaction itself. And for the limitation, demographic data limited only at people Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi. And this research can be only implemented in Indonesia because my research is in Indonesia, in Jakarta, Karens Diner, Jakarta. And also, the last one is the independent variables only service quality. The scope is placed at Karens Diner, Jakarta. The independent variable include 5 dimension: reliability, responsiveness, empathy, tangible, and also assurance, while the dependent variable is customer satisfaction. And this is my research framework. The first one is service quality itself. There is 5 tangible and can affect the customer satisfaction. This is my research design. The first one is methods or methodology. The methods that I use is data quality test and to determine the extent to which a measuring instrument can be trusted in measuring something. And also there is a classical assumptions are the conditions that must be met in the linear regression model, so the model becomes valid as an estimator. And also hypothesis testing, there is a possibility that the decision can be right or even wrong, so the hypothesis of the research contains uncertainty. That's the reason why this test was carried out. Hypothesis test consists of multiple linear regression, t-test, and coefficient of determination. In this research, the analysis of variable using statistical software, we can call it SPSS, and also the data. I use primary data were gathered directly to the customer of Karens Diner Jakarta using questionnaire, and secondary data also we are used in this research by adopting other related research such as a journal on and etc. The data will be collected using random sampling. It means that everyone can equal rights to being participate in this research. And quantitative approach. In this research, we are studying a topic that mainly focus on static file method because of the purpose to find the relationship between variables. The content of the analysis is interpret and analysis the text based on the data. Okay, let's talk about the findings and discussion. The first one, based on the respondents' characteristic of Karens Diner, customers were mostly at the age of 21 until 35. The customer mostly work as office and also student. From 53 respondents, there are 47 respondents who only visit Karens Diner once, and the rest of 6 of them were visit Karens Diner more than one time. And the second one is from the hypothesis test. There are only one aspect that is tangible that correlated with customer satisfaction at Karens Diner Jakarta. It means strategic location, staff appearance, facility of restaurant, and also the cleanness of the cutlery play the important part to increase customer satisfaction in Karens Diner Jakarta. And the third one from the hypothesis test, empathy, responsiveness, reliability, assurance are not having relationship to increase customer satisfaction in Karens Diners. This is refers to the number of visitors that visit more than one time is only 6 out of 53 respondents. So it means Karens Diner Jakarta need to escalate these 4 other variables in order to give more satisfied experience to the customer. And the last, based on the test result for the coefficient determination, the adjusted R-square value is 28.2%. This means that the capability of the independent variables such as tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy in this study affect the dependent variable is customer satisfaction by 28.2%, while the rest 71.8% is explained by variables other than independent variables in this study. Okay, let's talk about the conclusion. The first one, there is a positive and significant influence on self-qual intangible dimension on customer satisfaction at Karens Diner Jakarta. Variable of service quality such as empathy, tangible assurance, reliability, and responsiveness have an influence 28.2%, while the rest is influenced by other factors that are not included in this research. And then there is negative or no significant influence with empathy and customer satisfaction on Karens Diner Jakarta, and negative and also no significant influence with the responsiveness and customer satisfaction, and there is a negative and no significant influence with reliability and customer satisfaction on Karens Diner and Jakarta, and the last, there is negative and no significant influence with assurance and customer satisfaction in Karens Diner Jakarta. And the last is recommendation. The first one is that independent variable can be it can be brand loyalty and aspect beside service quality, and then the methodology can be changed into qualitative method and mixed method, so the research can derive more deeper aspect, and the next researcher can be implement other location with the same topic related, can implement the culture in Indonesia, and the next researcher can change the mainly theory, so the result can have different perspective. I think that's all from me. Thank you.